So, what should you actually charge for your coaching packages? Let's stop guessing and start getting strategic. Because if you want your coaching business to actually support your life, your coaching pricing cannot be random. Today, I'm teaching you how to reverse engineer your income goals like a boss, from dream income to real numbers, so you can set your coaching pricing with clarity and confidence. No fluff, no wishful thinking, just real numbers. So let's do this. Hey friend, I'm Moriah Riona, award-winning luxury brand designer, luxury branding coach, and the host of Super Bloom Coach podcast. And this is Super Bloom Coach Presents, the ultimate guide to starting your life coaching business. This is your step-by-step blueprint to launch with confidence, attract high-ticket clients, and build a brand that feels as elevated as you are. In this series, I'm giving you the real roadmap to start your coaching business the right way, without all the fluff, guesswork, or DIY struggle. Today's episode is a big one, so make sure you've downloaded your free workbook. It's linked in the description. It's the perfect companion to this video, actually the entire series, and gives you space to map out your own income goals, pricing ideas, and offer strategy as we go. All right, let's talk coaching pricing. Step one, what do you actually want from your coaching business? Before we even touch your prices, I want to zoom way out. What do you actually want this business to do for you? Do you want this to be your full-time income? Something you do part-time while raising your kids or focusing on your 9 to 5? Or maybe it's a passion project that funds fun vacations, weekend getaways, or paying off debt. Now ask yourself, how many clients do you ideally want to work with at a time? Do you love one-on-one coaching, or are you dreaming of a group program or online course? What does your dream work week look like? Is it 5 private clients, a light coaching schedule, and Fridays off? Or 10 clients in a group program with 1 call a week and lots of space for creative work? There is no wrong answer here. But you have to know your answer if you want to create a business that actually supports your lifestyle instead of running your life. I want you to take action now. Grab a notebook or open your workbook and write down these questions. What do I want my coaching business to provide for my life? How much money do I want to pay myself each year? How many clients do I want to serve monthly or yearly? What does my ideal weekly schedule look like? Get specific. Visualize it, write it down. This is your foundation, because when we talk about pricing, it's not just about what the market will pay, it's about what you want this business to give back to you. Do not skip this part. This is the difference between building a dream business and accidentally building a job you resent. Step number 2, reverse engineer your coaching pricing. Now, let's dive in to how to set your prices the right way, because I see way too many coaches, including my own clients, who arbitrarily pick a number because they think it sounds good, or they see another coach charging that much. Promise me you won't do this. Because here's the thing, all those questions you just answered about your business and how you want it to support your life, you have no idea if that other coach whose packaging and pricing you're just copying has the same goals as you, or if they even considered if it was financially viable. No more guessing, no more copying. Let's reverse engineer the pricing that works for you. Let's say you want to pay yourself $100,000 per year, not make $100K, but pay yourself $100K. Here's the truth no one tells you. To pay yourself that much, your business needs to make more like $200,000 to $250,000. Why? Because you're also covering things like taxes, business expenses, tools, platforms, and support. And you still want your business to make a profit, right? I love the book Profit First. It's such a helpful guide for new business owners. In fact, I highly recommend you get yourself a copy and dive into it. I'll link it in the description. The author breaks it down like this. 50% should go to owner's pay, 15% to taxes, 30% to operating expenses, and 5% to profit. But be aware, these percentages will all change as your business and revenue grows. Anyway, if you want to bring home $100,000, your revenue goal is actually a lot closer to $250,000 or more. Let's say you want to work with 20 clients a year. That means your offer needs to be in the 10K to 12.5K range. That's not greedy. That's not outrageous. That's just good business. That's what it takes to build a financially sound coaching business that actually pays you well. And listen, we only build businesses that pay us well. Okay? If you're with me on that, drop a paid and proud in the comments or DM me over on Instagram, Moriah Riona. Let's normalize women making serious money doing meaningful work. Also, if you're finding this series helpful, I'd love it if you gave this episode a like and dropped a quick review over on Apple Podcasts. It helps this content reach more amazing coaches just like you, and it's one of the best ways to support my work. Thank you so much. Okay, step 3. You're not charging for your time, you're charging for transformation. I see it all the time. New coaches feel weird about charging too much. They think, well, I'm doing 12 sessions, maybe $100 per session. Nope, you are not charging by the hour. You are charging for the result. What is the transformation you're helping your client achieve? What would it be worth to them to get clarity, confidence, peace, purpose, momentum? And listen, I get it. So many of my clients tell me they feel bad for charging for something that helps people. But let me ask you this. What message are you sending when you don't charge or when you severely undercharge? You're telling the world and yourself that your work isn't valuable. And that couldn't be further from the truth. Also, clients who invest more show up more. They're committed, they take action, they get results because they have skin in the game. I've said it before, when you pay attention. When you price your coaching appropriately, you're not just helping yourself, you're helping your clients succeed. Step 4, don't hope. Plan your coaching pricing like a CEO. Here's the energy I want you to embody. We're not hoping this business works. We're planning for it to succeed. Get clear on your income goal, factor in expenses, taxes, and savings, decide how many clients you want to serve, and then price your offer in a way that makes sense. Revisit your pricing every few months. Adjust as you grow. Raise your rates when demand goes up, but start with real numbers, not fear or guilt. This kind of strategy is exactly what I help my clients build inside Dream Client Accelerator. We design an offer that delivers transformation and positions them to earn sustainably. We figure out their pricing, their messaging, their dream client, and we bring it all together in a brand strategy that attracts high-quality leads from day one. Again, no fluff, no guesswork. It's the real roadmap I wish I had had when I was starting out. And we do it in just 4 weeks because I believe in building momentum now, not someday. So to that point, don't let this hold you back. Do the work, figure out your numbers, and set your pricing today. Get started. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to actually get paid. Legit tools, platforms, and systems to accept payments professionally and confidently as a coach. No more PayPal links, no more awkward Venmo conversations. We're doing this the luxury way. And hey, if you haven't downloaded that free workbook yet, go grab it now. It'll help you think through everything we talked about today, your goals, your numbers, and your dream offer. Links in the description. Grab it now, and I'll see you in the next episode.